Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Buckle up, petrolheads, because we're diving headfirst into the uncaged fury of the 2024 Lamborghini Huracan ! This masterpiece isn't just a car, it's a primal force, a sculpted symphony of Italian passion begging to be unleashed. Feast your eyes on the sculpted perfection. Every line, every angle, every vent screams power and purpose. The iconic Y-shaped headlights pierce the darkness, while the hexagonal grille demands respect. This isn't just a design, it's a statement. Roar before you even turn the key. Interior, step inside, and the opulence envelops you. Luxurious leather caresses your touch, and Alcantara accents add a touch of sportiness. But don't be fooled by the comfort. The driver-focused layout screams business. Every control is strategically positioned, a fighter jet cockpit ready for takeoff. Now, for the Pi-A-Assist-R-A- copyright assistance, the heart of the beast. Nestled behind the driver sits a 5.2-liter V10 masterpiece. 630 untamed horses await your command, their symphony a guttural roar that vibrates through your soul. This isn't just an engine, it's an experience, a primal connection to the power within. But the Huracan! Isn't just about brute force. It dances on corners with the grace of a ballerina, the all-wheel drive system ensuring you're glued to the tarmac. Every twist and turn becomes a conversation, a dialogue between machine and driver. Feel the suspension devour imperfections, leaving you weightless, one with the asphalt. The 2024 Lamborghini Huracan! Isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a declaration of passion, a refusal to settle for anything less than extraordinary. It's a turn of the head, a conversation starter, a badge of honor. It's for those who dare to chase the thrill, to live life on their own terms, to embrace the roar within. So, are you ready to unleash the bull? Visit your nearest Lamborghini dealer and experience the legend for yourself. Remember, life is short, the road is calling, and the Huracan! Is waiting to break free. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel.